Okay, those that watched my video, the last video, should know why I'm giving this buy, or why I took this buy signal. Okay, it's very simple. If you watch the last two videos I uploaded on this channel, you'll be able to know why I took the buy setup, the buy signal. Remember what I told you guys, that market will be buying around that level on boom 1000. Yeah, around this zone on boom 1000, and that's what is happening now. So take everything out here and then place them again for us to see why I took the signal. Okay, for us to see why I took the signal. All right, so this is why I took the signal. We move to 4 hours time frame. You don't need to go to the daily. You can go to the daily. Daily is better if you can go to the daily. It's awesome. You can go to the daily. All right. So this strategy I'm about to show you guys now, this is what I used in taking VIX 75 sell. I took VIX 75 sell. It's like it's gonna buy now, but I don't really trust that. So this was our entry on VIX 75. We sold from here. I gave the signal to my VIP. We sold from this zone, and our TP was just somewhere here. After smashing our TP this morning, market reversed back to. Looks like it might buy again, but I don't think so. This is still a downtrend. This is still a downtrend. So yeah, so market reversed. I used the same strategy to take this signal. All right, the same strategy to take this signal. So you see, when I give you guys a strategy, I don't just come here and be looking for followers or views. Yeah, because the money I'm getting from YouTube is not seen to compare, like it's nothing at all to me. It's just me reaching out to people, just me giving out what I know, or I'm my assistant to you guys. Okay, so when I drop a strategy here, I want somebody to come here, watch the video over and over, okay, and learn how to use this strategy. I don't want you to just come look at the strategy. You feel like it's something you can do, and you go and apply the indicator and start doing without watching this video over and over to understand how it's done really. Right? Because there are some informations that if you are not intentional about it, the information means nothing to you. Okay, you must be intentional about this trading of a thing. So now we are on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, I told you guys on the 4 hours time frame, we want to know what's the market trend and the market direction. This is an uptrend. This is the market direction. Market needs to get back to this point. All right, so we know that, and this it's an uptrend. Yeah, so we'll be looking, when we have an uptrend like this, we'll be looking for buying opportunity. We'll be looking for buying opportunity, mostly buying opportunity. So buying opportunity, you'll be looking for a level where market has been reversing before, over and over before, right? That's what you're looking for, and a level where market has been reversing before. So you can see this level here. Sorry. You can see this level here. Market has been reversing around that level, because obviously we've gotten one touch there and another one right there. Okay, so that's a level where market has been reversing before, and also we have another level here. Okay, where market reversed. So this is a very strong level on our charts around this zone, this area. Okay, so after doing that, we know that markets will be reversing again. Markets will be reversing around that zone. Now we are waiting patiently for market to get to that level. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we can decide that when market gets to this point, it will reverse. It's either it reverses here, or in between these two levels, it's either a reverse here, or when it gets to this point, right? So this is your POI, this is your zone, this level, this is your zone. This is where you'll be buying from when markets get to this point. That's your zone. Now, I waited for market to get to this point, to that my POI, to touch the line, and then went inside the POI. After getting inside the POI, I know that I was just observing to see in between these two lines, yeah, in between these two lines, if it will bounce off and start buying from any of those, all right? Then as I was waiting, I also saw markets under the indicator window. I also saw markets try to reverse around this zone. Okay, I saw market has gotten to the oversold zone, the oversold level. Okay, that tells me that it's likely to buy. So all I need to do, all I want to see is a bullish candlestick, like an engulfing candlestick. So we had this an engulfing candlestick. We have this bullish engulfing candlestick with a bit of rejection. We had like 1, 2, 3 rejections around there. Then we had this bullish engulfing candlestick, and once the candlestick got printed on the chart, I just opened a position few minutes after that time. All right, and with this same confirmation, you can see what we have now. Even on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see what we have now. You can see that the indicator gave us the same confirmation. It gave us the same confirmation here, and plus what we have here, the rejections, and it looks around this zone. We need to be very smart, very flexible, because there are some things that did not teach me, nobody taught me really. I just discovered most of them on my own. And yeah, now like this, see markets losing momentum. Once you see markets start printing short candlestick and is struggling around a particular zone, that means maybe it will start buying. If it was coming really strong and around this zone, it started showing printing short candlesticks, this shows that we have more buy pressure than sell pressure around this zone. So you'll be looking for buying opportunity around levels like that. And coupled with the confirmation we had here, okay, I knew that markets will buying. So look at that. We've seen like, let me show you. We've seen like $300 each position. Okay, so that's how it is, bro. That's how it is, as simple as that. To the 4 hours time frame. To the 4 hours time frame, you want to do the market trend. What's the trend? This is the trend. This is what it's doing. This is what it's doing. It's moving up like this and down like this. That's the structure it's creating. And again, up to that point, down here, and it's going up again. As it's going up, it might get to that point or even break like this. So you can see, because it's actually going up, so it's creating that waves to the upside. All right, so if you're smart enough, you should know that this move that is going on, it has not is not it's still, it has some bars to cover to this point at least, or breaks this level. All right, so that's how to actually do your stuff. That's how to do your stuff. That's how to to follow up the market. All right, so that's simple. Now, coupled with the indicator, with the strategy here on the indicator window, we knew that it would be spiking, it will be buying around that zone, and the buy was really, really massive. It was spiking back to back without breathing. So I'll show you guys the settings. Please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If I'm giving you something reasonable, something that gives you, something that helps you grow, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Okay, check the description area to join the VIP signals group to chat me up for mentorship. You want to learn how to analyze the market perfectly well as a pro, you chat me up. Accounts management is up. You have up to $200. Let's make money together. Okay. Yeah. So like I said yesterday, the last video I uploaded here, that I'll be meeting with some traders in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. So if you stay in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, or you know someone that stays in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State that is a good trader, a known trader, a known trader in Akwa Ibom State or Cross River, you let me know, because we are trying to come together to see how we can join hands together to help some traders around the country, in this country, to help some traders to push to manage to do whatsoever possible, whatever we feel gonna help the traders or our young and coming traders. We do that for them. Okay, so yeah, I really appreciate this. All right, I'll show you guys the settings. It's just RSI. The period is 6, median price, and apply to median price. The levels here, we have 90, we have 50, we have 10, we have 15, we have 85. And you click on done. Then the color on that style, we have black color, so you can use black, use any color you feel okay. All right, so that's it. So we missed a very nice trade here on VIX 100. This was VIX 100. We were supposed to buy somewhere here, This is it. We're supposed to buy somewhere here. The same method I used. We were supposed to buy somewhere here. All right, but we missed this move. It's all good. We missed this move. It's a long-term buy. It's coming back to this point. It's going back to this level, and I feel it might break this zone. All right, from my analysis, it might break this zone. Right, it might break this zone or just somewhere here and start going down again. So I really missed this opportunity. It's all good. Yeah, so I used the same strategy here, and I missed that buy. I missed it. So painful. It did not give me good confirmation. And also, you see on the indicator window, we also have the confirmation here on the 15 minutes time frame. The buy confirmation, market just touched this line and started going up. Right, so yeah, that's it, guys. So that will be all for now. Please join the free Telegram channel, subscribe, share this video with friends. Okay, if you want to learn more, to know more about this stuff, join the academy. Chat me up to join the academy. See, you must be intentional about trading. If you don't know how to trade, you must learn how to. This year, everybody is supposed to know how to trade. Everybody's supposed to know how to trade. So join the academy. Let's make money together, guys. Price action is the only way out. Be consistent. Be intentional. Be disciplined. That's all for now. Bye-bye.